First of all, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, guests of honor, Puan Saraya and fellow attendees. Um, Let me briefly share on the role of Brunei Darussalam Central Bank, or BDCB. BDCB carries the responsibilities of conducting the country's monetary policy, issuing the Brunei currency, as well as regulating and supervising banks and financial institutions. We have four main objectives stipulated in the BDCB order, amongst which includes to foster and develop a sound financial services sector. Why do we want to foster financial technology or FinTech here in Brunei? In the Brunei Darussalam Financial Sector Blueprint, BDCB outlines the objective of increasing the financial services sector's contribution towards reaching 8% of GDP by 2035. And FinTech has been identified as a key enabler in achieving this. At the same time, the development of FinTech is also in line with supporting the Digital Economy Master Plan, especially the DEC flagship project on digital payment. Next slide, please. Okay. Following the issuance of the Financial Sector Blueprint, BDCB established a dedicated FinTech office in 2016, which is responsible to foster FinTech innovation in the financial sector. In February 2017, BDCB formally issued the FinTech Regulatory Sandbox Guidelines, which aims to aid in the development of FinTech companies in Brunei Darussalam through the creation of regulatory sandbox. We updated this guideline in December 2020, aimed to reduce the assessment time of the applications. And to support this, we also created the Sandbox Working Group in early 2021, comprising members from both regulatory and non-regulatory functions in BDCB. And then in December 2020, BDCB released a white paper on the state of FinTech in Brunei Darussalam. This white paper outlines the gaps and recommendations to develop a vibrant FinTech ecosystem in Brunei. Next slide, please. Now I would like to share more about one of our FinTech development initiative, which is the FinTech Regulatory Sandbox. In brief, the FinTech Regulatory Sandbox enables qualified FinTech companies to test innovative FinTech solutions within well-defined boundaries and set period of time. Why do we need a sandbox? Well, FinTech is transforming financial services, which can bring immense benefit to businesses and consumers, but new risks. Therefore, the sandbox is an approach to encourage safer and responsible experimentation, to understand the existing regulations and requirements by BDCB. And at the same time, the sandbox acts as an avenue for us as regulators to learn more about emerging innovation in the market. Who are the current sandbox participants? First participant is Money Match, who is testing blockchain-based digital remittance services with or electronic know your customer technology, enables customer to perform account opening, registration and verification digitally without physically going to the office or branch, and utilizing artificial intelligence or AI to minimize human intervention. Personally, I think this is how most accounts opening will be done in the future. And then our second participant in the sandbox is we have a local FinTech company, Jana Capital, who is testing Sharia-based peer-to-peer crowdfunding platform, offering an alternative source of financing for MSMEs and investment opportunities for general public in Brunei.